which they are also delivering quality education.
Pardon, sir. What do you mean by they have been staying in less than a year in the MSc?
So they have been in MSc for more than a year.
So what are my specific plans for them in terms of benefits? So if in terms of benefits, I will ask the budget officer as well as the accountant whether we can provide them other benefits aside from their regular salaries, as long as it is legal. If it needs to be presented in the Board of Trustees, then we will do that, so that they will receive something at the end of the fiscal year and also at the middle of the fiscal year. As long as we follow financial discipline, para wala tayong disallowed sa Commission on Audit.
Dito. Thank you very much. This time we'll have a question from the representative of the non-teaching personnel.